The English language is filled with so many opportunities to be imaginative, to be creative. Can you imagine if those creative juices were limited? That is what Taylor Swift and many others have had to face in the past when people get upset for stealing their lyrics. Hello, my name is Olivia Bell. My case is obviously Hall versus Swift. I will be taking the side of Taylor Swift, saying that she did not steal lyrics from Sean Hall. Now, the facts of the case are as follows. Fact: in 2001, Sean Hall released a song called Players Gon' Play, and that song included the lyrics, "Players gonna play and haters gonna hate." Fact: in 2014, Taylor Swift released a song called Shake It Off. That song included the lyrics, "Players gonna play, 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 and haters gonna hate, 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 hate." Essentially the same thing, right? So, Sean Hall sued Taylor Swift for copyright infringement, saying that she stole the lyrics from him. Now, here's why Taylor Swift did not steal any song lyrics from Sean Hall. Number one, in the 90s, leading up to 2001, when the song was released, the phrases "play a hater" and "player" were so commonly used. They're even still commonly used to this day. Those are very common words. Sean Hall took those words and made a phrase out of those words. He did not invent the words. He just made them into a phrase. Therefore, there was nothing to be stolen in the first place. Also, those phrases lack originality and creativity. Since he took the words from somewhere else, they're not his words. He didn't invent them. The words already existed in society and pop culture. So Sean Hall did not invent those phrases. Therefore, there was nothing for Taylor Swift to steal. She probably may not have even known the song. She just probably had heard those phrases before and used those in her song. So, a case to back me up would be Ariana Grande versus Josh Stone. Now, Ariana Grande released this song called Seven Rings, and in the song she said something along the lines of, "I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it." And Josh Stone had previously released a song that had those same words, "I want it, I got it." But that's the same case here. Those words are not creative. Anyone can say that. Especially when you think about freedom of speech. If you're freely allowed to say words, why shouldn't you freely be allowed to say these words in your music? So, since those words weren't creative and weren't original, there's nothing to be stolen. They're just words in a song. So, someone might clap back at me and say, well, Sean Hall did invent the phrases. The words existed, but the phrase "play is gonna play and haters gonna hate" wasn't invented before he said it. Well, we don't know that. We don't know that for sure. We don't know if someone had said it or not. But what I do know is that those phrases still lack originality. He took the words from something that already existed in pop culture. Lots of people were saying these phrases already. So what is there to steal? He just added a couple words into it. Where's the person who invented the phrases "play a hater" and "player" and "hater"? Where's that person getting angry at him for using those words? Nowhere, right? Because they're just words. They're very common words that lots of people use. No one should be upset with Taylor Swift for using these words. It doesn't make any sense. So basically, Taylor Swift didn't steal any lyrics from anyone. She was just expressing her freedom of speech in her music and expressing what she felt needed to be expressed. And that's that. That's that on that. Hope you enjoyed.